From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, State College. This is student meteorologist Erik Handel from the Campus Weather Service bringing you this week's forecast. As you can see, conditions over Beaver Stadium, we have partly cloudy skies and fairly cool temperatures compared to yesterday. We have a high of 36. Moving on to present day conditions. Right now we have a temperature of 36, as I said before. Feels like it's very cold, very blustery. High of 26 for the feels like temperatures. Dew points are looking very dry, around the mid-teens, I would say. Visibility, not a big issue at all, and we have winds. The main story right now is the cold temperatures compared to yesterday and the blustery winds. Winds north to northwest at 60 miles per hour. Taking a look about the temperatures over the Commonwealth, most of the Commonwealth, we have a high of State College of 34 right now. Du Bois, 28, and it's fairly cooler up when you get to the northwest. As we trend down southward to Harrisburg, the capital region, we have a high of 43. Let's take a look around the overall view of the Commonwealth. You can see quite a temperature gradient compared from Erie, a high of 25 right now, and 47 right now as you get along the coast around PA, Philadelphia. So fairly warmer once you go southeast and much colder as you go up northwest. Taking a look about the temperature change right now, you can see, oh my gosh, there's quite a temperature change difference around Pittsburgh. We have 30 degrees temperature compared to yesterday. As you can see, as we move eastward in the PA region, we have much more seasonal temperatures. So temperatures didn't really change as you go east of the region. 23 for State College, 23 temperature departure, not like it's still quite a big difference. As we go into the wind speed, that's the number one story for today, that and like I said, the cold. We can see wind speed around State College 16 miles per hour, so it's fairly blustery, and that's not even the gust. As you go down east to Philadelphia, winds are picking up at 20 miles per hour, and as you go northwest and to the west portions around Pittsburgh and Erie, wind speeds are picking down. And along the coast of South Jersey, you can see, I would say, around 30 miles per hour due to that west-northwest wind. Taking a look at our radar and satellite, you can see some scattered snow showers along upstate New York, and a couple of scattered snow showers pretty much dissipating around the State College area in the upper elevations. Right now we're seeing a couple of partly cloudy skies. I know it was overcast earlier today. As we take a look in the overview of the United States right now, you can see there's just pretty much a swath of precipitation around California right now. They're picking up a lot of snow and rain around San Francisco. As we look around the south, around the Gulf, we can see that big giant moisture from the Gulf pulling up to the northeast, as you can see. You can see some remnants of the forecast winter storm over in upstate New York from that past winter storm Olive, as the Weather Channel likes to say. Taking a look at our future weather, you can see from Friday around in the evening hours, you can see clouds are picking up around the northwest in that area. You can see it's still mostly clear skies around the evening. As we transition into Saturday for State Patties, you can see overcast, bleak conditions. It's going to be around 38 degrees around there. You can see some snow showers, lingering snow showers up around the upper elevations and also down south near the Lancaster region. Taking a look as we go into Saturday at noon and evening, we can see snow showers are moving along, and you can see mostly cloudy skies still continuing. And once we get into the Sunday morning hours, around 3 in the morning, we can see generally clear skies around State College. So those clouds are like pretty much clearing away. Taking a look at our future weather, this is our next system Saturday at 1 o'clock. You can see there's as I mentioned, winter storm, system going up in the upstate New York. And even in DC, we're going to fairly pick up some, I would say like an inch or so, I would say. And you can see that giant swath of moisture pulling up from the Gulf. Taking a look in Saturday into Sunday hours, you can see there's our next shot of precipitation in the system around the Midwest near St. Louis and Omaha. As we continue further, you can see that gigantic moisture around Tuesday. So this is our next shot of precipitation. You can see up around the New England, upstate, Catskills area, you can see there's going to be some snow, moderate snow, I would say. And us, we're not really lucky. We're going to get most of the precipitation as water. So we're going to probably pick around like a half an inch to an inch, I would say. As we continue into Wednesday in the morning hours, as you're going to work right now, you can see generally mostly cloudy skies around the Commonwealth, and you can see our next shot of a clipper system moving around north of Chicago. All right, moment you've been waiting for, it's St. Patty's Day weekend forecast. So as you can see, it was much cold, it's quite a contrast. We're back to winter for today and tomorrow as well. We're gonna see a high of 36 degrees, and for Saturday, overcast and dreary yet again for your St. Patty's Day forecast. Looking at Sunday, partly cloudy, temperatures are gonna pick up into the low 50s, and our key points I would like to talk about is slightly breezy around the weekend. Seasonable Saturday, it looks like. Much more seasonal temperatures compared to the past couple of temperatures in February and March. Mild Sunday, I would say, so we're finally going to get a return of spring-like temperatures. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, as I mentioned, Friday into Sunday, going to change a bit. As you can see, Monday is our next shot of precipitation, as I mentioned before. Temperatures are looking in the upper 30s. And as we go into Tuesday into Thursday, temperatures are looking much more spring-like and a little more seasonal, with low temperatures flirting around the 30-degree mark for much of the 7-day. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Erik Handel. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your St. Patty's Day weekend.